Let me show you how to remove your front bumper off a BMW 1 Series F20 LCI Facelift. Just to go over with it, you need T30 and an 8mm. So you got T30s along the side underneath the bonnet on the top of the bumper. You have 8mm on the side where the wheel liner is and 8mm underneath. T30 on both sides, and then you got 8mm underneath the bumper to hold the engine tray. First of all, we're going to go ahead and remove the 8mm at the wheel liner on the passenger side. One over here and one just deep inside over here. Go ahead, remove both of them. Once you remove the bottom two, then you got another one at the top over here. Go ahead and remove that. Once you remove the three 8mm from the wheel liner, you can move the wheel liner backwards, and then you have two 8mm underneath the bumper going into the wing, one over here, one over there. Go ahead and remove that. So just to show you how the bolts are angled, the 8mm and the T30, our side bumper is already broken, so I can go ahead and remove this, and that's where your T30 and 8mm is. So as you can see, that's where your 8mm will be angled, or your ratchet will be angled towards the bumper. So you will need to remove your wheel liner, move it back as possible and get it in just like that, as well as the T30, which is on this side over here. Let's just say I removed your wheel liner, so you have access to get your hand in here and your ratchet up in here, angled just like that. Once you remove that, you have 8mm going at the bottom of the bumper all the way around. So you got two over here, you'll have 4 over here, and you'll have 2 over here. So 4, 6, 8 in total. Go ahead and remove them. So if I just show you, you got 2 over there. Coming over here, you should have 4 more around this side of the bumper, and you got 2 around the side of the bumper again. Okay, go ahead and remove them. Once removed the 8mm T30 on both sides, the 8mm from the bottom, you then have T30s along the side. So remove this strip out of the way. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go ahead and remove them. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and remove your bumper again. Take it off from this side, pull it out from this side, and then your bumper should be loose enough to come off. But ours obviously is damaged, so we're gonna have quite a bit of an issue taking this one off. So let me take it out from the other side first. What you want to do here for the fog light plug is you have 2 tabs, one on the top, one on the bottom. Pressing them just like that. But the issue we're having right now is this bar here. Obviously has had an impact as well, so that's gone against the bumper. So we're gonna have to now try to force this bumper off. Something like this. There you go. One front bumper off. On this side of the fog light, like I said, our bumper was broken, so the fog light bulb came out. But this is the tab you press. This one here, this side over here. Press them together, pull it out, and then your bumper is free because it hasn't got no sensors at the front. Guys, this is how you remove your front bumper off a BMW 1 Series F20 F21 LCI Facelift. If you haven't already, consider like, subscribe and share. We'll see you in the next one.